Hey guys, today I have with me iQOO Z3. The smartphone offers a 6.58-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 401 ppi and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. iQOO Z3 has a bezel-less water drop notch display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. On top, there is a secondary microphone and a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. iQOO Z3 comes with a triple camera setup with iQOO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. iQOO Z3 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. iQOO Z3 offers a 4400 mAh battery powered by a 55-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera. The software version of iQOO Z3 is Android 11 with Fun Touch OS. So guys, that's it for iQOO Z3. Thank you so much for watching this video.